First, open the tailgate and locate the hitch indicator button on the right-hand side of the luggage compartment. A steady orange light means the folding function is active. Press and release the button to fold the hitch into its unlocked position. Pull the hitch to its final locked position. The hitch indicator button in the luggage compartment will glow steadily orange to signal that the hitch is ready for use. To retract, perform these first two steps in reverse, finishing by pushing and locking the hitch back into its retracted position under the bumper. The Volvo Trailer Hitch ball holder is available separately and designed specifically for your vehicle. Slide the ball holder into the trailer hitch and align the holes in the ball holder and trailer hitch assembly. Once aligned, slide the locking bolt through both holes. Then insert the R-shaped cotter pin into the hole at the end of the locking bolt. Your trailer hitch is now installed and ready to use.